Phantom is quickly adding new features to their integration of Sui. They posted that you can now buy Sui directly in Phantom Wallet, so we're going to go ahead and test that out in this video. So taking a look at some of the comments on this post, you can see the reaction is extremely bullish, as now Phantom's 15 million plus monthly users have the ability to easily buy it directly in the wallet. Just another step towards onboarding more people to Sui network. They did say this post is not intended for UK audiences. I'm not in the UK, so we're going to go ahead and test it out. Please note, nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. So let's go ahead and open up my Phantom wallet. I have Sui enabled. If you don't see Sui, you might have to manually turn it on. You can do that by going to settings, then go to active networks, and make sure you have Sui beta toggled on. So let's go ahead and click on buy. You can see you're able to buy Solana, Ethereum, now Sui. You can also buy Polygon and Bitcoin. So we're going to click on Sui, and I'll say $6. And then I'm going to click on this just to see what the options are. Right now it looks like it's through Coinbase. So I'm going to go ahead and say buy. That's going to take me to pay.coinbase.com. If you have a Coinbase account, you could use this option, buy or transfer with Coinbase. I'm going to do it directly with a debit card. So I'm going to say buy with debit card. I'm going to buy $6 worth of Sui, pay with a debit card. I'm going to click continue to payment. I'll go ahead and enter my payment method. Pause this, I'll be right back. Once you've entered your payment method, I'm going to click continue. It's going to ask me to verify it with my phone. It's going to give me the summary of my order, buy $6 worth of Sui. It's going to go to my Phantom wallet directly, and I'm going to click buy now. Order submitted. This transaction usually takes a few minutes. We'll send you a text message when this order is complete. Let's click on view details. So here's the details. Bought $6 worth of Sui. Here was the current price of Sui when I bought it. Here's my Sui Phantom wallet receive address. Status is complete. So that took about 20 seconds. Let's go back to my Phantom wallet, and you can see we now have that Sui we just purchased in the wallet. So that's pretty big. Super simple. Didn't have to go out to an exchange. It did it for me. Was able to just go directly through my Phantom wallet. Again, clicked on buy, selected Sui, entered the amount in US dollars, which was 6. Clicked on buy. It took me directly to the best on-ramp, which in this case they use Coinbase, and I purchased it with a debit card. The ability now to buy Sui directly in Phantom Wallet is just another big step towards making Sui accessible to the masses. Again, Phantom Wallet is one of the top, if not the top, Web3 wallets. So more positive momentum for Sui and Sui ecosystem tokens. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.